Hello, I'm Caden, and I'm going to tell you how to find the molar concentration of solutions. First, find the atomic weights of the elements that compose a dissolved compound from the periodic table of elements. For example, oxygen weighs 15.9994 or 16. For today's example, we will be using 160 grams of NaClO4. Second, add the atomic weights of all the atoms in the molecule to compute its molecular mass. This example, the molecular mass of NaClO4 is 122.5 grams over moles. To do this, we find the atomic weight of Na, which is 23, the atomic weight of Cl, or chlorine, which is 35.5, and the atomic weight of oxygen, which is 16. But there are 4 molecules of oxygen, therefore we have to multiply 16 by 4 to get 64. Then we add the molecular mass of sodium, which is 23, the molecular mass of 4 oxygens, which is 64, and the molecular mass of chlorine, which is 35.5, to get 122.5 grams over moles. Third, divide the mass of the dissolved compound by its molecular mass to calculate the number of moles. In this example, we have 160 grams of NaClO4. So you put 160 grams over your molar mass, which is 122.5 grams over moles, which leads us to get 1.3 moles. 4. Divide the volume of the solution in milliliters by 1,000 to convert it to liters. In the example, we have 400 milliliters of solution. So, if we divide 400 milliliters by 1,000, we get 0.4 liters. Fifth, 5. Divide the number of moles of the dissolved compound by the solution volume to calculate the molar concentration. In the example, the molar concentration is 1.3 moles, which we earlier calculated. Then we put 1.3 moles and divide it by 0.4 liters, which we also earlier calculated, to get 3.3 molarity. And that is how you calculate the molar concentration of solutions. Now we will learn how to calculate the percent composition of a solute in a solution. This one is very simple. All you have to do is take the mass of the solute and divide it by the mass of the solution, and then multiply that by 100. For example, you take 20 grams of NaCl out of a 100 gram solution, and you put 20 grams of NaCl divided by 100 grams of solution, and you multiply that by 100. This should give you the percentage of the NaCl, which in this case is 20% in the NaCl solution. And that's it. That's everything I have to tell you. Bye-bye.